First,
Since when you are practicing it?
since I am practicing since this process
How many years?
I am practicing 629 years, and this process is also this type of roster is also coming since 8-10 years. But
How many such complaints you have given earlier?
how many?
How many such petitions you have given earlier?
No, this is I filed this
You have not.
draft amendment with regard to the.
Who are you to question the roster?
I am as a party in person and as a
Mr. Counsel, before you commence,
Lordship,
since you are doing some pro bono work here and there,
Lordship,
we respect your sentiments.
Lordship,
These are the plethora of cases of the Honorable Apex Court
Lordship.
on the issue of the Honorable Chief Justice being the master of roster.
Yes, I am not disputing this, but
If you want to still prosecute, we'll hear you.
what-
Later on, we will not only be imposing costs,
Lordship,
other orders also will have to be passed.
Lordship,
We are not saying, we are not threatening you, we are only bringing it to your notice.
Lordship,
So, in your own interest,
Lordship,
look at these judgments and tell us now, we'll wait. We
Lordship.
will not proceed further. You want to decide as to how the Chief Justice should fix the roster?
No, I am not asking that. I am.
Do that, do
No,
this.
No, Lordship, kindly see what I am saying that the oldest litigants are waiting and new litigants due to the periodical arrangement of this honorable court. And I only just seeking as for the interest of these oldest litigants to consider. I am not asking, I am not questioning your Lordships.
You can question, but look at those judgments.
Or get justice prior to the 2010.
How do you know that?
Because of
How do you know that?
Because as per the roster.
2007 matters are being disposed of this by this court taking on every Wednesday as a special sitting.
But as per this roster, it's happened this.
Huh?
As per his.
Only because of that.
No, 2007 matter, not yours, may decide.
How many matters you have argued? You please tell us. You appear on tax side?
No, I am not appearing on tax side,
You
but
are not appearing on tax side.
But Lordship may kindly.
You are practicing on which side?
On criminal side and.
Criminal
side. Some. Contempt matter was allotted to the court number.
You know now from past 7 months, how many contempt petitions have been disposed of?
I am.
Which was pending from 2011, 12, 13, 14. Ask Registrar Judicial to get this, Ukraini to get these statistics.
They were the oldest litigants up to 2021 are waiting for their, and this honorable court decide in 2022 matters. That will also affect the right of the oldest litigant university. And after same situation, you worship with regard to the labor and service matter.
Get the statistics of how many cases contempt pending.
Was,
So according to you, everything should be only in one court.
no, I am not saying that.
No, then what
may
is
be
it?
given to the both court, but
Huh?
may be given to the both court. But what I am saying, your worship, one court is dealing up to 2018. Up to 2018 is pending, and if the seventh court decide from 2019, 2021, which is affecting the right of the eighth court petitioner, which are awaiting for justice.
You are
from
appearing in criminal cases, right?
Yes.
Have you conducted any criminal appeals?
Some,
You have conducted criminal appeals. Between two criminal appeals, one criminal appeal of 2020, where the accused is on bail, and the appeal of 2021, where the accused is in custody, which should be taken first? Which should be taken first?
in custody. It is in custody.
So, according to 2021 file is to be taken. If your analogy is accepted, then we'll be deciding an appeal of 2021, giving a go by to 2020 appeal. Is it justified?
No.
Why not?
But Lordship, kindly, this is not the criminal appeal. There are criteria is different because there are one in jail and out of jail.
So
in custody. I am sorry to, but what I am saying that
Yes.
this litigant of the labor court and service matter,
Yes.
19 up to 18 is.
Suppose this court of which is deciding 2018 matters, it takes up 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15
That
and
not
disposes of the
problem.
matter.
But
It should not be done.
no, it's done. Maybe it's required to be done, but from 19 is another court is given to the from 19 university. From 1977.
Which oldest matter you have conducted in last month?
Last one before your worship in
Of which year?
2007,
2007.
and 2009 also, when your worship was single on Friday.
How many matters are being filed by you in a month, approximately?
No, I have
You must have
very
something.
less matter. If you
That's all. After arguing the matter for considerable length of time, the petitioner sought the leave of the court to withdraw the petition, and we declined to grant the permission. Inasmuch as the case papers would disclose that petitioner is in the habit of submitting the representations after representation, reasons indicated herein below.
I am requesting, may I permit it to withdraw?
No, sir, we will not permit you.
I am humbly requesting.
No, we have declined.
I am requesting.
If you are still persisting,
I
if you are still persisting, we will not. We will like to go to the next step.
I am apologizing, for
You are an advocate with a practice of 29 years,
Lordship, but
and you want to file such frivolous and vexatious petition.
I am.
We will not only dismiss this
my intention
petition,
was not there,
we are
Lordship,
going, if you still persist, we will initiate criminal contempt
but-
against you. Sorry, Mr. Counsel, we never expected this from persons like you with a so-called 29 years of practice.
Lordship. So that I am requesting,
petitioner-
I am really very much sorry, Your Worship.
Who claims to be an
I am apologize for that. Your
practicing
Worship, may kindly-
advocate of this court, Vide code number
That will
1529,
affect my whole career, Your Worship. Kindly permit me to withdraw.
and having a standing of 29 years of practice. On the other hand, it is the litigant public who have benefited, who have never complained on this aspect. Likewise, the matters dealt by different benches either on the tax side or on the MACP side has resulted in good results being yielded, namely both the benches disposing of more number of cases on account of such assignment is not only a trick and stratagem used by such persons which cannot be countenanced, and it requires to be curbed with iron hand, and we do so by not only dismissing this petition but also dismissing it with exemplary cause. Full stop, para. For the reasons aforestated, we dismiss this petition with rupees 1 lakh cost payable by the petitioner to the payable in rupees 50,000 payable to the Chief Minister's COVID Relief Fund and 50,000 payable to the Advocates Welfare Fund. Full stop. In the event of the said amount not being paid and affidavit reporting the payment is not reported within an outer limit of 6 weeks, the registry shall issue a certificate in the name of the District Collector Ahmedabad, who shall execute the said decree, said certificate for recovering the same from the petitioner as arrears of land revenue.
Lordship, may kindly bear with me because this post part and even against me observation is very much affect my statement. Please, Your Worship.
We have nothing. We have nothing personal against you.
No, nothing.
You have
But nothing
You have
personal
argued your
against me.
case. We have passed our order.
But Lordship, may kindly delete this.
Sorry, sir.
I am requesting.
No, sir.
Lordship, may kindly consider at least no post order.
No, sir. No, sir.
Please, sir. I am requesting Your Worship, kindly bear.
We will not. We will not.
Post part, may kindly go.
Normally, advocates, we don't do. You even
I am
recently-
extremely very sorry. Your
No,
Worship.
sir. No,
I am not intended to this type of these things. I am no such intention, Your Worship.
We will not.
Lordship, may kindly.
We will not, sir. We have resolved, and in fact, we wanted to be more. After seeing the Supreme Court judgment, you know how much they have levied?
Lordship,
25 lakhs.
but in my
So we said, all right, we will reduce it to 1 lakh. We have reduced, we kept it at 1 lakh.
Today's matter of 14%.
Next, no. We are
Request- we
very
not
sorry,
against-
sir.
Not
We-
dismissal, we are not against the dismissal, only cost aspect,
No,
but he is
no.
not such a person
No.
who can bear the
No, we don't know.
cost of 1 lakh rupees.
Let him file necessary application, we'll consider.
Please,
We'll consider.
we will do it.
But we will not reduce it. You are
No,
saying.
no, your lordship.
We will-
consider.
No.
No, it is earnest request, but he is not such a
No.
person.
What is the cause you are exposing, Mr. Asim Pandya? See,
No, I am not
any
espousing.
cause
I am not.
or representing the advocates community.
No, no, I am
Sorry,
simply-
Mr.
no, I am
Pandya.
simply saying, being a member, he requested me just
No,
to
then in
request.
that we will increase it.
No, I will not.
No, Mr. Pandya.
Take that risk, my lord. I would simply say espousing, I am simply saying that dismissal part, I am not saying, only cost aspect.
Any
your lordship.
part you cannot.
He will move an application, appropriate application. your
We
lordship.
don't know.
It
We
would
don't
be
know.
very
We will
difficult, my
not.
lord.
Pandya,
Yes.
are you not saying that judges are working
No,
beyond
no,
6?
not at all. We are not.
Saturday, Sunday, we are spending
Yes, definitely.
for all these reactions?
No, no, this, it has followed, I don't know why he has filed such an.
We are
application.
working round the clock.
We know. We know.
And-
You people are filing such kind of petitions.
That is his
It
misconception.
is demoralizing.
I will-
See, it will have such a cascading effect on the honorable
I
judges.
fully understand. I will
And-
request him to give an undertaking. He will not.
You just imagine.
Yes, yes.
My brother getting agitated.
Yes, I know.
It
He would be
has-
the last
how it
person to
has
get
hurt,
agitated. I understand.
how it has, it's not the question of hurting or this thing.
No.
It demoralizes the institution.
Yes, yes. Appropriateness, it is not appropriate.
Yes, cost.
Well, what
Most of the judges are working 16 to 17 hours.
I fully
And you
agree.
people are filing such kind of
I
litigation.
fully agree.
And you are supporting such cause.
No, no, I am not supporting. I am just trying to request the other.
Very sorry that you are
Not
supporting
a personal
this.
request he has made.
We are very, very sorry, Mr.
Yes, I
Pandya.
understand. I understand it was a personal request made by him just to request the honorable court to consider cost aspect, and he can give an undertaking henceforth he will not file for public
Yes,
interest
yes,
litigation.
yes,
That kind
next.
of thing can be worked out.
Yes, sorry.
Please.